How to turn off contact sharing on iPhone. To turn off contact sharing on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, scroll down a bit and find the General option from here. Once you find it, tap it. From here, you can manage all your overall apps and preferences, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Now, scroll down a little and tap on the AirDrop option. This feature on the iPhone lets you share your files instantly with people nearby. Here, toggle off the Bringing Device Together option. By doing this, you won't be able to swap numbers with NameDrop, share photos, and more. There you go, you have successfully turned off contact sharing on iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off contact sharing on iPhone.